Okay, how do I make green tea? I prefer the loose tea. What I do, I use 8 or 6 ounce cup. Okay, I like loose tea, and at first I put water into it. Okay, make sure it's lukewarm, warm, a little warm, but never use the water is too hot to hand. Okay, if it's too hot to hand, that's too hot to tea. So after, make sure the tea is warm, is perfect. The water is warm, is perfect. Then I open the loose tea, I put the tea in the cup, and then wait a few minutes. Sometimes I just drink it, just drink this way. On the way, I chew a few pieces. Okay, after finish half of the water, I add more water into it, and then wait a few minutes, and then after a few minutes, I drink it, and then when I finish half the water, I add more water into it. So always keeps taste the same. It's kind of mild. So everyone you have to figure out. You want stronger, with it longer. Okay. You want mild, with shorter, and you can adjust the temperature. Usually I like a little warm, but not that hot, not that warm. So I drink this way, and I keep drinking. I refill. If you use this kind of cup, small cup, like maybe 5 ounce, 6 ounce, I can refill maybe 4 or 5 times. Okay, that's the way I drink my green tea. Usually I have 2 to 3 pack a day. I take one at breakfast. I take one at lunch. Sometimes, if I like, I take another one at 3 or 4 o'clock. But that's all. Okay. If I take more than 3 packets, I cannot stand it. That's too much. You cannot. I cannot sleep well. So I also suggest people you figure out how much you should take. And some people like tea bag. Personally, I prefer loose tea. Some like tea bag. I think tea bag is finer, is quicker. But taste-wise, loose tea tastes more natural, more mild. Okay. So you have to figure out which one you like, either tea bag or loose tea. The tea are the same, but the tea bag is powdered. It's regular tea bag. Okay, hope this helps. If you have any further question, please give us a call or send us a message. Thank you.